Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you best WIX Studio features in 2024. In this video, I will show you 4 main features that you have to know. The first feature on the list that you have to know is Selection Grid. I'm talking about a revolutionary tool that lets you create your own intricate layouts but still keeps it intuitive at every step. So you can split cells, create gaps between them, drag to resize, and swap them around. Now the next feature is gonna save you many hours of work, and this feature is Responsive AI. You set up your design once, and with just one click, it will analyze the section and automatically adjust the response behaviors for each element to fit every breakpoint. Another good feature in WIX Studio is no-code animations. You can create unique brand experiences with anything from micro animations to rich complex interactions and easily customize them to that fine-grained control. And all of this without a single line of code. And finally, we have got the last feature in this video, which is called Text Mask. This is a great way to make your client's brand stand out. You can fill live text with gradients, videos, or images to make it pop, and it's optimized for SEO. So these features have totally changed the way that I wear now. And now it's your turn to try all of these features to make your work easier. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.